Hello and welcome back. Over the years, we've done some silly coffee recipes, like we add sriracha sauce on espresso, we add Coca-Cola on espresso as well. You know, it's all fun, okay? It's all fun, but in this video is by far most outrageous we ever done. So let's take a look. Try this one at home, okay? Do not try this recipe at home because I saw some of you out there try a little bit of pepper on your espresso whenever you're making coffee. I saw on some TikTok trend, you know, a couple of years ago. I think it was a few years ago. Put some little bit of pepper flakes on the espresso, pull the shot. We are beyond that, guys. So here's what we're gonna do this morning, okay? Here's what we're gonna do. It's gonna be epic. I have a pepper cone, okay? I'm gonna measure out 13 grams. All right, we got 13 grams of peppercorn here. I'm gonna ground it, just like you are making espresso. I'm gonna go through the exact same workflow, same everything. Imagine you are making espresso with the peppercorns. For this, going right in. So let's put everything together. If you haven't used a flare, this is a flare classic actually. Flare classic there, just like that. Actually, you know what? They'll give you this temper as well. Just temp, okay? Just has a lot of head space. Put the screen on the top. The smells wonderful, by the way. Okay, go just like this. All right. I'm gonna add some water on the top. And there. Here we go. Squeeze down. And let's stop at 29. Stop at 29 there. A little bit of crema on the top. Okay, a little bit of crema. They look like espresso, isn't it? Look like, you know, mediocre espresso. The color's there. All right, we have the right color. Pepper espresso. Comes the aroma. Obviously, you know, very spicy. Clear out your sinuses, okay? Your sinuses for sure. Actually, I can smell a little bit of citrus. Yeah. You know, I think I'm gonna change my cup here. Hold on a second, guys. Yeah. Man, you know what? This smells. It's not as bad as you think. Okay. All right. Okay, let's try this. I'm not going to drink this. Okay, I'm just going to use my teaspoon here. I'm just going to dab. Okay, I'm just going to dab. I'm just going to try. Wow. Okay, you do not drink this. Okay, you do not. I'm warning you. Do not drink it. All right. If you're watching at home, if you're crazy enough to try this at home, do not drink. Use your teaspoon. Just dab it. Just like so.